What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special video. I'm teaching my boy Justin here exactly how to trade. He's never traded before, so he doesn't even know how to look at a candlestick chart or any chart for that matter. He has no idea what he's doing. But at the end of this video, he's gonna have somewhat of an idea, and then we're gonna do like a part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5 videos, and eventually this guy's gonna be a pro. So today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna teach him the fundamental basics of the chart. So what's a candlestick? All right, guys, let's get into it here. So basically, 5-step program right now in this video. We're going to try to make it as short as possible, but still have him understand exactly what's happening in the market. What the market is in general. He has no idea what Forex is, stocks, crypto. So we'll explain that to him. We're going to learn candles, market structure, candle patterns, entry conditions, then putting it all together so he can figure out exactly when to trade and when not to trade. So it's very important, okay? Then from there on, see what happens in his trading journey. He said he's going to start making videos himself on YouTube and go from there as well. Pumped, bro?
Excited.
Okay. So the first thing we're going to talk about right now is the markets, right? So the different markets that you can trade in Forex, in trading, sorry. First one is Forex. Forex is trading one country's currency against another's country's currency.
Okay.
So basically, let's say if you think that the US dollar is going to go up versus the Canadian dollar, then you'd place a buy on that pair. If that makes sense. So USD CAD, for example. Right now we're looking at Euro USD. So the European, what's Euro? Yeah. What's up?
Euro.
Yeah. So basically the Euro, so the European dollar towards the US dollar, as you can see, it's been going down.
Okay.
Right? So it's losing value towards the American dollar.
What's green?
So green means that the price is going up. Red means price is going down.
Okay, good.
Which I'm going to explain here in just a second. Okay. If you're looking at crypto, for example, right now we're looking at Bitcoin. So this is the price of Bitcoin versus the US dollar, basically. Tether is basically just a US dollar since it stays at $1 US. So as you can see, Bitcoin's been losing value.
A lot.
Okay.
Wow.
If we take a look at other markets, for example, let's say we look at stocks, let's say Apple or American Airlines in this scenario, you can see it lost a lot of value, then it started gaining a lot of value.
Okay.
Pretty simple, right? The idea in trading is basically to predict if something's going to go up or down and then make money doing that.
So basically, I've seen like these other people doing trades per second.
Yeah, that's called binary.
Uh-huh.
It's kind of a scam, so
okay.
we'll probably stay away from that.
Cool.
Cool?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what we're going to look at right now. We're going to teach you about candles, okay?
Cool.
Okay, so let's teach them about candles here. So like I said earlier, green means prices going up, red means prices going down. Now, every candle will tell you 4 different things, okay? You have the low, high, open, and close.
Okay.
Okay? So we'll take this candle here as an example.
Yeah.
The green one. The open is where it started. It started over here. The high is, see that little wick right there?
Yeah.
Right? That little line? That's the high. So that's the high the price got to before it started coming back down again.
Okay.
Okay. This is the low. So that's the lowest point it got to before it started going up again.
Oh, wow. Okay.
You see it?
Yeah.
Okay. And then the close is whenever this ends up ending. So for example, on this green candle right there, the close was right here. And then it switched to a different candle.
Yeah.
Okay. Right now we're looking at the 4-hour time frame, which basically means every single candle is 4 hours of time. So
okay.
4 hours, the current 4 hours. This is 4 hours ago, 8 hours ago, 12, 16, 20. Get it?
Yeah.
If we go down to a different time frame, let's say, for example, the 10-minute time frame.
Oh.
Now, every single one of these candles represents 10 minutes.
Okay.
So this is the current 10 minutes that we're in.
Oh, yeah.
This is the last 10 minutes that we're in, last 20 minutes, last 30, last 40. Make sense? Okay. So again, open.
Yeah.
Close. High. Right?
Yeah.
Low. Okay. Now for a red candle, the open and the close are switched. So this is where it closed. It closed lower than the open, which was up here, which made it a red candle.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Any questions?
Basically, can that candle, the line go all the way up?
It can. It can go as high as possible. Like it can go like, you know what I mean? But for some reason, there wasn't enough buyers, so the price went back down.
So that's why it became solid. Okay,
makes sense. So the buyers basically formed this candle.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's,
like even look right here, this one, right?
Yeah, exactly. That's how high it's got.
But it stopped. People stopped buying on it. That's why.
And then people started selling a little bit, and it went back down.
And that means it opened the red one.
Exactly.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Like this is a little bit deep right here if we do this, but just to show you, if we go to, oh wait a second,
And then that closed. That was the max close.
If
I
we-
get it.
if we go to a volume footprint chart and we zoom in, you can see people's orders in real time. So there's a lot of sellers up here. See
Yeah.
what I mean? And then there's not much sellers here, and then there's a lot of buyers down here in these sections.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Mhm.
So in total, there was way more buyers because the delta is green than red. So
Okay.
if it's red, there's usually a negative delta.
Mhm.
This is a very advanced shit. I'll teach you that after.
Okay.
Okay. But for now, let's go back to regular candles. Different types of candles. The most popular one is just regular candles.
Okay.
Okay. There's other ones that you can learn, like for example, Heikin-Ashi. So if we go, where is it?
Right there.
I don't see it.
You have the star.
Yeah. Basically, this one shows momentum. So if there's no underneath line, no wick at the bottom, means there's momentum going upwards.
Okay.
Okay. But we're just gonna focus
Yeah, I
on
don't
the
get
regular
that
one.
yet.
Okay. So do you understand this part?
Yeah, to some degree. So
Some degree?
basically, just to summarize, that opens, goes,
Close.
the candle goes up. No, not enough buys. Close, opens here, closes down here.
Yeah, and that's
Right.
why it's red.
And
Makes
yeah,
sense?
that's why it's red, because it
Exactly.
started decreasing.
Yeah,
Cells.
exactly. Now, the candles themselves tell you specifically what's happening in the market.
Mhm.
Okay. What do I mean by this? So you see how right here there's a huge green candle?
Yeah.
And there's a bunch of the red candles that are smaller.
Mhm.
That means there's actually a lot more buyers in this market now than there was sellers back then.
Okay.
So the volume, the trend is very bullish.
And this is in 10 minutes.
This is like 30 minutes ago,
Wow.
right? So you can see the timer at the bottom. So
Oh yeah.
this is at 120. We're 144.
Okay.
Okay. So that's pretty much it for the candles. Let's go back to the 4-hour time frame here, because I have this up here. So now that we understand candles, I'm going to show you market structure, then we'll go back to candle patterns. Cool?
Mhm.
But before we start, do you have any thoughts?
I'm very excited. Nervous because I don't know what I'm doing. It looks all complicated, but I know through your guidance, I'll be fine.
Hey, let's get it. Okay, let's do it. All right, so now that we understand candles, and again, guys, this is a complete beginner's course. We're going to go advanced after. But right now, we got to look at market structure. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think market structure is?
Projecting, I'm assuming. So basically, if you look here,
Yeah.
the market structure is bad, and then it goes up good. Is that it or no?
Not necessarily.
Oh, shit.
So market structure is you want to understand whether or not you're in a bullish trend or a bearish trend. Okay. So who's winning right now? The sellers or the buyers?
Okay.
And you always want to jump in with the winning side.
The buyers.
Either if the buyers are winning, you want to jump with the buyers. If the sellers are winning, you want to jump with the sellers.
Okay.
If that makes sense.
Kind of.
You can make money selling.
Can you?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, because it's all prediction. It's like going to the casino and like going red or blue.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? That's exactly what it is.
Okay.
Okay. So taking a look at the chart, just simple, like who do you think is winning right now? Just very simple.
Selling because it's decreasing.
Exactly. So there's a lot more sellers in this market right now than there is buyers.
Mm-hmm.
Makes sense?
But if you're buying up here, right? Up here, you're buying at, let's say, $1.50.
Right here?
Yeah, I'm just making up numbers.
Yeah.
Down here, you're selling at $1.10. You lost money.
You lost money. Exactly. So if you buy up here, you lost money.
So realistically, you want to buy here at $1.10 and sell at $1.50 to make 40 cents profit. Does that make sense?
Technically, but it's not how Forex works, but I'll teach you in a bit how that works. But over here, as we can see, you wouldn't want to buy here anyways.
Okay.
Because the momentum is going against you, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like, wouldn't it?
Oh, I get it.
You know what I mean?
So if it's going up gradually, then you would want to buy.
Yeah, exactly.
Ah.
So take the market structure goes 3 ways. Okay, so you have a bullish market. It looks something like this. It's like a wave going upwards, right?
Mm-hmm.
You have I can't really type it, but whatever. Here, actually, what? Is it 2 H's? Higher high, higher low. So this is the low. Then another higher high, another higher low, higher high, higher low. Make sense?
So on.
The price is gradually going upwards.
Oh shit.
There's never gonna be a moment where the price completely just shoots up like this and keeps going like this.
Okay.
There's always gonna be a 2-step forward, 1-step back mentality.
Okay.
Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So then how do I move this? There you go. So then a bearish market, so a seller's market, looks like this. It's just a complete opposite.
Where you're just decreasing.
Exactly. Right? So there's always going to be a little bit of pump ups, then it's going to fall back even further. Pump ups, fall back even further. Make sense?
Which is terrible for yourself.
if you're investing, if you're trading, you can still make money going downwards,
Okay.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So let's say, for example, right now, this is the candles are like this.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the price comes back down
Mm-hmm.
and goes like that.
Mm-hmm.
What are we thinking here?
Sell.
You entered a bearish market, right? This low broke this low.
Yeah. So you would want to sell at that low because that's where you're going to make the most profit.
No, you're not selling yet. This is basically just understanding the market structure.
Okay. Okay.
Right.
Sorry.
So for example, right now the price
Mm-hmm.
broke the last low. So now you're no longer in this upwards trend.
Oh,
Makes
yeah,
sense?
I get it.
So now you're in a bearish trend because you can see the price broke it
Mm-hmm.
and then it failed to break
So
this high right here.
bearish down,
Yeah, bullish upwards.
bullish, bearish. Okay.
Exactly. And then there's one final, technically two. So it's when you're ranging in the market like this. So the price basically staying between, let's say, $1.20 and $1.
Okay.
Makes sense? Like it's just ongoing range.
Yeah,
right?
I get it.
You can trade this scenario if you want. It's just a lot harder
Mm-hmm.
than to only look for buys in a bullish and a bearish and then it sells for in a bearish.
Okay.
Now over here, you can also get a market that looks like this, where it's like, sorry, one second,
Bearish, bullish.
where it's like this, where it's like it's just a flat line kind of thing.
Mm-hmm.
There's no waves.
Mm-hmm.
You never want to trade this.
No.
Because there's no volume.
Okay.
Okay, like because over here, like you can sell here, and then close here, and you make money. Then you can buy and then sell and make money. You know what I mean?
I
But
understand.
in here, you're not gonna make money. The price is not going anywhere.
So do I have to sit at my laptop every second to make sure that I'm not losing money, or do I just let it play out?
You let it play out.
And then I go like 4 hours and I check the trend?
So basically, the way it works is we're jumping up ahead of ourselves right now.
Oh, okay,
But
sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Remove drawings. So basically, the way it works is, let's say the price is going like this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you're gonna place a buy order right
Yeah.
here. Okay, you're like, okay, I think the price is gonna go up. It came back down. I think it's gonna keep going up again.
Yeah.
Makes sense. You'll have a stop loss. Let's say like right here.
Mm-hmm.
A stop loss is basically if the price falls below this point,
Mm-hmm.
it's automatically gonna close to protect your assets.
Oh, wow.
Right.
Okay.
So you don't want to risk your entire account on one trade.
So can you put a stop loss exactly where you're buying as well?
Yeah.
So you don't lose any money?
But like the chances of you winning a trade will be very low.
Okay.
If that makes sense.
Yeah.
Because the price will always like fluctuate a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? And
I
then you have like a take profit, let's say like up here.
Okay.
So if the price was to hit this take profit or
Out.
out, right? So you can take a trade, then go do your shit.
Pretty simple.
Whatever you want to do. You know what I mean? It's pretty simple, but
It
you're
is.
getting down to actually getting into the right trades, if that makes sense, right?
Well, that's why I'm here to learn.
100%. So now that we understand market structure, let's go back to take a look at this. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And let's map out that wave that we saw.
Okay. Bullish, bearish. What are they called?
Bullish, bearish.
Bearish.
Yeah.
So right.
So I'll mark it out for you, right? So over here, you see how it's like zigzagging?
Yeah, bearish. Bullish.
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 Exactly, right?
Yeah, because it's going up.
100%. And then do you see how over here we had a low?
Mm-hmm. And now the low's even lower.
And then that low broke, right? And it came back down.
Mm-hmm.
So then we entered a bearish scenario, right?
Yeah, bearish.
Makes sense?
Yeah, I get it.
And then eventually
It's back into bullish.
back into bullish.
Holy shit.
Right?
I understand.
100%. Easy, bro.
This looks so complicated from afar.
100%.
That's why you need a mentor or someone to teach you like this guy.
Exactly.
Because you'll just lose more money than you would invest.
100%. And then what are we now?
Bullish. Bullish. Bearish. Bearish. Down.
Yes.
Back in
A little bit of range. Remember I told you it's a
Yeah,
range?
it's like a wave.
Like a wave.
And then here it's bearish.
Exactly.
I get it.
So now just off general, just looking at the chart,
Yeah.
are we looking for sells or buys here?
We're looking to sell.
Exactly. Right?
Yeah,
So
'cause it's
just
going down.
just based on the chart, we're looking to sell.
Mm-hmm.
Makes sense?
I get it.
Okay, but now when do we sell?
We sell where you want.
Not necessarily. You need a trigger. You need somebody to tell you, okay, the upwards momentum here, the small upwards momentum that we see, because now how the price is going a little bit upwards,
Yeah.
is fading, and then we have to start selling again.
Yeah.
Makes sense?
Mm-hmm.
Right? So there's a way to actually kind of assume what's going to happen. It's always going to be an assumption, because no such thing as guarantee
Okay.
in trading, but it's an educated guess, if that makes sense.
I understand.
You know what I mean?
So you're going off like previous records of like an hour ago to anticipate whether it's going to go up or down.
Not really. You can use, this is what we call now candle patterns or indicators.
Okay.
Right now we're just going to learn candle patterns.
Cool. Yes, sir. So basically, my biggest brain fart here is that if you're selling while going down, you're just not going to make money.
That's not how it works. So let's say, for example, This is how you make money shorting a market. It's called shorting a market. Okay. Let's say, for example, okay. So here's how you explain that analogy. Okay. So let's say, for example, you have a car, right?
Mm.
So you have a car here. Excuse about drawing. This car is worth $10,000. Let's say.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So 10,000, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now you want to sell this car because you think that the value of the car is going to go down, right?
Yeah.
So you sell it to this guy,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Boom, you sold it to this guy. This guy gave you $10,000.
Mm-hmm.
Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now the price of that car goes down. You still have $10,000. Okay. The price goes down, down, down. Now that car is worth 8,000.
Okay.
Right? You then buy this car back for 8,000. You still have the same asset and you make $2,000.
Oh, I understand. So you're selling it before it goes shit, and then once it's shit, you buy it.
Exactly.
I get it.
Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
That's basically how that works.
So that's how you make money selling.
That's how you make money selling.
Makes sense.
Right?
I get it.
Now, since you don't have the actual asset, right? You're in this scenario, you're basically telling the broker to give me an IOU.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah. So you're gonna sell it as soon as it bearishes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool?
Yeah.
Does that make sense how you make money now? Going downwards?
I do.
Okay, perfect. All right. So now that we understand that,
Mm-hmm.
now let's show you candle patterns. All right. So let's start showing him exactly what candle patterns are. So there's a million different candle patterns. So like say for example, candlestick patterns. You're gonna see sheets that look like this online
Mm-hmm.
with 50 different ones. You know what I mean? That you can look at. But half of these are fucking useless. So I'm gonna teach you here
Three main ones.
Three main ones. Okay. The first one, actually, I'm gonna text you right here. So engulfing.
Okay.
Okay. I don't know if I spell it right. Whatever. Then you have kind of like a pin/hammer is what I call it. Then you have doji. Cool.
How long have you been trading for?
Like 8 years.
So so
Okay.
I can trust you. Okay.
Yeah, 100%.
Because I know some people try to like market like, yo, I've been trading. I make like $1 million, which I bet they do because trading's very profitable, right?
Very hard to make $1 million.
But anyways, and they don't know how to trade.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So the first one we're gonna look at is engulfing candle.
Mm-hmm.
Engulfing candle is when a candle completely engulfs the previous candle of the different color. So for example,
I think I understand, but yeah.
see this red candle right here?
Yeah.
See how this entire green one would fit inside this red body?
Mm-hmm.
That's an engulfing candle.
Okay.
Makes sense?
Yeah.
So there's a lot more sellers than there is buyers in this section.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So if we look at another scenarios here, let's find more.
Well, so is it only when it doubles it? It counts as engulfed?
It has to be like 1.5.
So like great. Oh,
At least.
like that one.
Yeah, exactly. So that's an engulfing candle.
Yeah.
Makes sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Keep looking for more so you see it here. Like even like right here, for example, this one green candle fits inside both. These two red ones fit inside this one.
At least 5 times, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
That's an engulfing candle, if that
Cool.
makes sense. Okay. So usually when an engulfing candle happens, there's a good chance, not guarantee, chance the price is going to keep going up.
That's good.
Okay.
Or down, depending on which.
If it's a red or green.
Yeah.
Exactly. Okay. But the one thing you want to keep in mind of with an engulfing candle is that if it's too big, the price can come back down. What do I mean by this? Right. So we can see the price went back down, went up like crazy here, right? We had a crazy two candles, right? If we were to go, let's say on the 8-hour, 12-hour chart in this section,
oh wow,
it'd just be like one big candle, but I can't find it right now.
So that's when you would want to buy at the starting the.
Not necessarily, but like look what happens here, right? So see how the price went back up here, engulfing candle, then another big one.
Mm-hmm.
The price is eventually gonna come back down and retest this section, right?
Okay.
Because it's people want to know, is this a good value area to buy?
Yeah.
If that makes sense, you know what I mean? Came back down, it retested it, went back up, right?
Okay.
Remember, I told you the market always works in waves.
Yeah.
It will never be straight up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, very important. Okay.
Okay.
So that's engulfing candle.
Okay.
Next is going to be teaching you pin/hammer.
Yeah.
Let me find one for you. So here's an example of a pin/hammer. See how there's a long ass wick here?
Yeah.
And a small body?
Mm-hmm.
That's considered a pin/hammer.
Okay.
Basically what happened here, the price came up. People tried to sell a lot here, couldn't end up selling price went back up. There's a lot of buyers. Eventually settled here, right? So this basically means
Mhm.
there was a lot of sellers, but the buyers took back control.
I understand what. Oh, okay. Yeah,
Makes
I'm
sense?
getting it a lot now.
Okay.
That's why there's a wick. Because
Exactly.
there's not really a majority.
Exactly.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, yeah,
So
100%.
like there's no majority of who bought and who sell. So
Exactly.
they had to go back to the close.
Yeah,
I get it.
exactly, right? And then following that, we got what?
Down.
No, what's this candle compared to this?
Golfing.
Yes,
Engulfing.
engulfing.
I
Right?
get it.
Makes sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
So pin hammer and golfing. So
Exactly.
another pin hammer would be like that one.
No, that's a doji. I'll show you that what I mean by that in a second. This is more classic doji. This is more classic pin hammer.
Okay.
Okay. If we look more
Pin
more,
hammer.
yeah, this one too right here. You see how the price went back up?
Yeah.
It couldn't. The buyers got exhausted, right? There's too many sellers for buyers, so the price went back down. Makes sense? That's like a classic pin hammer right there.
Okay.
Right? Over here as well. You see it?
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Price went back up.
Holy shit.
Couldn't keep going back up. Eventually went back down, settled. Make sense? Okay.
Get it.
Now,
That's crazy.
if we go back, last one that's
Doji.
important, doji. Doji is a classic, like think of it as like a cross.
Okay. That. No.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Where the body is very, very small. So the close and open very small, and it just looks like a cross.
Okay.
That's considered a doji. Doji basically means indecision. No winners between buyers or sellers.
Okay.
Right. So following a doji, something always happens.
It either engulfs, right?
Yeah.
Or it would do pin hammer.
Yeah, exactly. Or like, for example, like in this section, there's no winner between buyers and sellers. It could go down, it could go up. You don't know.
So okay, so
you know what I mean,
okay.
but something is gonna happen, right? So for example, over here, doji, right?
And it went up a bit.
Then it got, you know what I mean? But you can see like there's no buyers or sellers in this section.
No.
Right? Like there was a battle for dominance.
Yeah.
Right? The way you want to look at it here is the market is basically a live entity. And you kind of want to understand what's happening in that live entity. Right? It's all psychology at the end of the day, if that makes sense. Cool? Any questions? No?
No, tired.
All right. So for him to practice, like an actual practice, I don't want to use no bar replay. We're gonna use TradeZilla. Basically, it's like a practice tool. We're currently developing it for Chart Labs. So in the future, this is like $100 a month, but for us, this can be free. In the future, they can use it. That's pretty cool. But for now, we're just gonna create a session. So we're gonna call it Justin. We're just gonna do Euro USD. That's what we're looking at earlier, right? Okay. We're gonna go back in time. Let's say, not too long. Say, you know what?
A month?
May 1st. Yeah, just a month. Nothing crazy. Up until here. Start you off with 10K in your accounts. It's like a fake 10K. Great session. So now this is basically history, right?
I'm about to cook.
Looking back over here, this was basically the beginning of May. We have no idea what's gonna happen from here, right?
So it goes that way?
No, it's gonna go right.
Okay.
So the second I start playing it,
oh, it's real. Oh, that's sick.
Right? So
what?
So let's say, like, for example,
10x, you're going crazy.
but you don't know what's happening right now.
No, I have no clue.
I mean? Okay.
This is sick.
It is sick. So we're just gonna let you kind of like see, like, try to predict what's gonna happen in the market, and then after that, I'll kind of chime in and kind of help you out. If that makes sense.
I'm not using bull up, bear down. Okay, let's do this.
There's one thing I did not mention yet, which is gonna help you like crazy. But I just want to see how how you do so far, and then I'm gonna add something in this that's gonna help you a lot.
Okay.
Okay.
Run it.
So take it.
Oh, take it down 10.
Take it down.
What the fuck?
No. That's just the speed. So like
that's too fast.
It's not too fast
for me to predict.
No, because right now, because you can look at it right now, it's paused.
Okay,
so
right now, what's happening?
Okay, so draw it. So use these tools on the side. So it's a brush tool, basically. So what do you think is happening right now?
Oh, I don't. How do I right click to go in there?
What do you mean?
So what's happening right now, guys, is that this is gonna bullish. Okay, why isn't it drawing all of a sudden? It's bullishing. Then we had our high, low.
Yeah.
Then you would want to sell or sell here.
No, remember, we're not selling. We're not selling against the trend. Remember. So look at this.
You're right. You're right.
Right. So if we look at the big picture first.
Yeah.
The first thing's always look at the big picture.
Okay. What I see right now.
Big picture.
Right now.
Yeah.
This is going up.
Exactly.
So it's bullishing.
It's bullshit.
And now it's going to bearish. Going
Why?
down.
Why?
Because the low point is surpassing that low point.
This low point surpassing this low point.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Right? Makes sense?
I get it.
Okay.
Shit, re-record that then. Fuck.
No, it's fine. They're learning.
Okay.
It's right here. Like you're learning.
I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah.
It's okay. But right, so basically what are we doing right now? We're gonna be looking for what? A sell or a buy?
Buy. No,
Why?
sell.
Exactly.
Sell because it's going down. What am I saying?
Exactly, right? Because this low just got broken, right?
Yeah. So play it.
Okay.
Play. Oh.
What happened here?
It's waving. I don't know the name. So basically now it's gonna go. What I'm predicting. Can I grab it off you?
Yeah, go for it.
What I'm gonna predict now.
But wait, but before we do that,
Right now it's stabilizing. So I'm gonna want to buy. I'm assuming because that's how I'm reading it. Because it looks like it's just gonna become straight and then it's gonna go up.
remember, if you're not 100% certain about something, you don't have to trade.
I don't.
You don't.
So I'd just wait then.
Yeah.
That's what I would do.
Exactly. Okay. So
But if I had to,
yeah.
I would have sold here.
So fast forward a couple candles.
Still
okay.
going down.
Yeah, it's going down. But
So-
what happened now? Officially.
Right here.
No. Officially, what happened?
Bearish.
Why?
Because there's more sellers than buyers.
Yeah, but why? Because this level right there just got beat, right? If
Oh
that
yeah,
makes
you're
sense.
right. I didn't even see that.
So you know what I mean? So
Okay,
that level got beat.
Let me go a bit more. It's still bearishing.
It's still bearishing.
So,
So now,
oh my god.
let's now stop for a second,
Uh-huh.
right? What are we looking for to enter a position here?
We are looking for
A retest, right?
okay.
So
Yeah.
remember, the price always
Goes up, goes down.
goes up, goes back down. It always waves, right? You want to catch the waves.
Mm-hmm.
Makes sense? That's when you want to buy.
Catching the waves.
Catching the waves.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah. So for example.
So right now, what do we want? The price to go back up a bit, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because you're gonna buy in.
And then you want to find what a candle pattern, right?
Mhm. Yeah.
And then sell.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm understanding.
So play just a little bit. Keep going. It's okay until you get that wave.
There. Well, that's not even big.
That's good. That's good. That's a good wave. It's not big, but it's a good wave.
Oh my god, it's just going down. Oh my god.
Again, like you don't have to predict it completely, right?
So realistically, I would have sold here because it's just going down. You're losing even more dollar.
yeah, but remember, if it's not an A1 opportunity, you don't want to take it, right?
Yeah.
So just wait for an A1 opportunity that you see. Okay, but see how one thing you miss right here? You miss a good A1 opportunity.
Here?
I'll show you. Pass it.
Mm-hmm.
So remember what I told you about the engulfing candles,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
One right there, one right here,
Mm-hmm.
even one right here right
Oh
now,
my.
right?
So if it's
So it retested. Makes sense? So it came back, price came back up. It went, that's a wave right there. You see it?
yeah, just
so-
a little, yeah.
They're small.
So I would have sold here. I would have bought here, sold here.
No, you're not buying against a trend. Remember, we're in a
Okay.
downwards trend.
No, you're not
You're
buying.
you're too focused on buying,
I am.
right?
I really am.
So what you want to do again, now go up here. You could probably sell over here.
Mm-hmm.
Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So this would be your sell spot.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm not sure if it's gonna work or not. But let's say, for example, this is your stop loss.
Mhm.
That's your take profit, right? Something like this. Make sense? So now we're not saying we're gonna take a sell here because I'm not sure what's gonna happen.
Mm-hmm.
But let's see what happens here. You would have won that trade.
I would have?
Yeah, because look, the price hit the end of the green.
Oh.
That's your take profit.
But why would I win on the way down?
I told you already. You can make money going downwards.
Yeah, I know that.
A win is making money.
Yes. I know that. This is a lot. Okay. I get it. Okay. My brain here is you're gonna want to sell when it goes up, but I know you said you can make money selling down. The
Going
car
down.
the car analogy. I
Yeah,
get that.
exactly.
So like can I grab it for
Yeah,
a
go for
second?
it.
So I could buy this, right?
Mean buy.
Like I could buy for what is this? How much is this? 178.
You're not buying. You're selling.
Yeah, I'm selling.
You're
Yeah.
shorting the market. It's called a short.
Yeah, so I'd sell this,
Yeah.
buy this.
No, you're not buying anymore. Just leave it. Just let it run until it hits your take profit. End of the box.
But this is worth more up here.
Exactly. But
Then-
remember, you're selling. The broker's giving you an IOU. The car analogy. Remember?
Yeah.
Then you're buying back at the bottom. You
Yeah.
make that difference,
Yeah.
right? That's how you make
Oh, you fucking idiot, Collins.
it.
So I would sell here,
Yes.
just keep my profit, and then wait, let it play. Oh Oh, that's not a. Is that a? Can I just wait here? Because but that's an engulf candle right here.
It is, but remember, look, where's momentum going?
Down.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's bearish.
So you don't want to go against the momentum.
No, I don't.
Ever.
So I still want to sell.
If you find another good opportunity.
Yeah. So like.
Now, now look what happened here.
Big one.
Big one, right?
Big engulf.
But remember what I tell you about that when that happens.
It's gonna crash back down.
Test it. Eventually, it's gonna crash back down. It doesn't have to be right away.
Yeah, look.
But now look what happened, right? The price shot back up, right?
Yeah. Oh.
Keep going.
Oh, you see? She's going down.
She's going down.
Oh, back. It reestablished. Here. They might keep going. I think. Okay. Tell me if I'm wrong here, okay?
And by the way, the price did come back down. Not sure if you saw it. Look at this. See that wick?
Yeah.
It came back down.
Yeah, it did.
Right?
Yeah.
So, like I said, the price always comes back down.
Mm-hmm.
Even it's just for a split second.
A split second.
Right? There's a wick, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now, what's happened here, right? So technically, we would have won this. We would have won this trade.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? We're taking a look at this.
Mm-hmm.
Are we now bullish market or bearish market?
Right now?
Yeah.
Bullish.
Yeah.
Because it's gone up.
It's gone up, right? So that we're just gonna wait for an opportunity.
In this scenario,
yeah,
say you don't want to sell buy against the market.
Yeah.
This is not. Would this be counting as buying against the market?
Yes.
Why?
Why did this happen right here?
Mm-hmm.
Because someone with big money came in and started fucking playing around.
Okay.
Right. We're on the 1 minute time frame right now, so every candle is looking at 1 minute.
Uh-huh.
The smaller the time frame, the easier it is to influence.
Okay.
If a guy came in here with like $1 million, he can easily move the market.
Yeah, and he could lose a shit ton of money if it drops fast.
100%.
Because if I were to sell up here, because that's a good sell.
Yeah.
Because you're making a lot of fucking profit.
Yeah.
And then it drops out here, and I'm buying back right here.
Yeah.
Because now what I'm doing is I'm predicting it's going to bullish.
Exactly. So
that's me.
So now what are we looking for now?
We're looking forward to bullish.
Yeah, but how do we know when to enter a trade?
Engulfing.
Engulfing or
like pin hammer.
Yeah. So look what happened here. Doji, pin, followed by engulfing. Right. This is like a pattern. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it is.
So either we win or we lose, because no such thing as 100%.
No.
The best traders in the world get like 60% win rate, 70% win rate. So you're still gonna lose.
Yeah.
Right. But you're gonna make money. So like, and look at this now. See what happens. So you're thinking buy.
Yeah.
Right. We got our patterns. Make sense?
Yeah.
So let's just say we got our patterns. We're gonna take this trade. Let's bring the stop loss down here. Let's target. I like doing
because I sold here. I made a shit ton of money.
Technically, yeah, but again, you're not selling against a trend, right?
No, yeah, I'm not selling against a trend.
So, and see how it says risk reward ratio 1.48.
Yeah.
Right. Our take, like, if we win, we'll make 1.5 times bigger than our bet.
Okay.
So let's say, for example, our bet was $100.
You're gonna make 150.
Exactly. Right. Let's see what would have happened here.
You lost. Oh no.
So close to hitting our take profit.
I know.
That's literally the name of the trade.
Oh, go up. Look, I'm gambling. Go.
Come on. There we go.
There we go. We made money.
We would have won. That's basically how it goes.
Okay.
Right? And that's why we're trading with the trend. Makes sense? Because when you're trading with the trend, right, you don't have to get it completely right where it just goes like boom. You know what I mean? You can ride the wave, right? So like you have the wave, right? You know what I mean? You can just ride the wave, the ups and downs. That's basically what we did here. We would have won the trade.
Yeah, we would have.
Make sense?
Yeah. That's
trading.
Fuck me.
That's trading.
I'm gonna practice more.
Now that's basically what it is. So guys, this is episode 1. We're gonna do like maybe 5 episodes. We're just gonna see how good he gets at trading, and then from there, see what happens.
For sure.
Right. So that was the bare basics. Bare basics.
Okay.
Like, I didn't teach you about support resistance, supply demand. I didn't teach you about anything like or any volume, like nothing.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean that's complete bare basics.
Okay.
Cool. All right, guys. If you like this kind of content, you want to see more of this, comment down below what we should do. Like this video if you liked it. Please subscribe. Have yourselves a good day. Peace.